You guys want to hear the world's most expensive rock tumbler? Uh-oh. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Brailsford Rides. This is a video I never intended to make. The Sequoia is down for the count, and my rescue is actually pulling up right now. Emmitt's hauling service to the rescue. And let me tell you guys, they give you a deal if you're here in North Carolina. So definitely, if you need some help, you're gonna want to reach out to these guys, because they are hooking me up compared to the price that I was getting for everyone else. It's like a third the cost. Ridiculous. So the Toyota Sequoia transmission decided to nuke itself, and every gear is now neutral except for park. And when you run it, it sounds like a rock tumbler. It's really bad. And yeah, we'll figure it out. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing loaded, and I'm gonna talk to my buddy real quick and be right back.
You steering?
Yeah, I can steer.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. Inside me, it could build a building until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some days sober, looking over all their shoulders. Like moving boulders just to get out of the home, it sucks. I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck. Under the
She is all loaded up, about to head back to Jacksonville. Got a good little trip ahead of us though. Real quick guys, I'm gonna throw them on the spot, but the car broke down. I felt super stuck. Even with my roadside assistance, the extra rates that would have gotten me to get to my house was like literally double this man's cost. So we got Emmitt's hauling here. Hey man, you want to give yourself a quick pitch and like what your business is about?
Yes, welcome to Emmitt's Hauling. My name is Emmitt Hawks. Like I said, the whole thing about the towing business, this is different. This is a hauling business. And how I make that differentiation is very, very simple. You know, towing, it's like $300 a hookup and then like $3 a mile. I'm realistic. I'm here for the automotive enthusiast. And with that in mind, I can say $150 hookup and $1.54 a mile. And I can actually make a good living from that, because I'm my owner broker. So I broker my own deals. And that is how I'm going to be able to help the automotive enthusiast community, all our customers all around, to make sure that you're getting a good deal and feel like you're not getting taken advantage of, because that happens. But with Emmitt's Hauling on your side, you can always count on me. So give me a call. I can help.
Yeah guys, there's his number right there, and we'll put it in the description down below. But yeah guys, some of the quotes I were getting were just bonkers, because I got the car to my sister's place, and still on top of that, I was looking at like freaking $900 from one company that, like, it was an automated system too, so I'm sure they have like overhead costs they have to fill, but just a ton of crazy numbers, anywhere from six to 900. And I was like, man, the car's not even worth that with all the miles that it has. It has 363,000 miles. It's just ridiculous. But my man here is a good friend of mine. I've known him since with the car scene in Norfolk. Another Mustang enthusiast. He's been in some of the videos before, but yeah, he just happened to have started his own hauling business and reached out to me after I put the feeler out on Facebook saying, hey guys, I need some help. My man's coming to help me out, so I really appreciate you, brother. Thanks for coming out.
Remember, if I can hitch it, load it or winch it, I can haul it.
All right guys. And guys, I'm not lying, man, when I'm telling you price differences. This tow is gonna end up costing me like I think the quote ended up being like 256 bucks, something like that. And like you said, it was like 150 and then $1.54 per mile. And other places I was seeing was like 150 hookup and like $8 or $9 per mile. So it is quite the deal. Definitely reach out to Emmitt here if you guys need some help.
I
inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright. It's hard.
All right, guys, car's made it here safe and sound. We're gonna get it parked in the driveway. So I can start working on it here soon.
Take my eyes open to this reality. Why can't you just let me eat my way?
Park and brake. Hey guys, we got the Toyota Sequoia home safe and sound thanks to Emmitt's hauling. Emmitt, really appreciate your help, man. And yeah, you got it here real timely. Got the Toyota home safe and sound. We'll start diagnosing it tonight probably. I'll probably drain the fluid just to see what comes out. But it's here. We'll be able to work on it, and that way I don't have to worry about having access to my having access to my tools and my parts, and everything's right where I need it. And so we'll try and get this thing running up within the next week or two, hopefully.
Dad,
I gotta
help.
You're gonna help? Awesome. I'm gonna call a couple parts companies and see if I can get a new transmission over, and hopefully the one that I'm looking at has a torque converter part as a part of it, but I'm not gonna hold my breath. I'll be prepared to pick up one of those as well. That's gonna do it for today's episode. On the next episode, we'll start diagnosing, but until then, stay blessed, stay safe. We'll see you next time on Brailsford's Rides. Take care.